In this video, I'll show you how to go live using the StreamYard software. You can go live directly on YouTube, but it has limits. When you use StreamYard, you have access to a lot of features that you can customize your stream with. This is a reason why it's not good to go live on YouTube directly. I'll show you how to do this with StreamYard step by step. I have a tutorial on the pricing breakdown. If you are curious about the pricing, I've explained everything here, and I showed you how to stream your pre-recorded video with StreamYard, just for you to know. Let's go back. This is the home page. It's clean and professional. That's why I like it. There are other softwares out there like OBS, EVMOS, but I prefer StreamYard because to me it's clean and organized. The other ones you have to do too much clickings, and I don't like that. First, you need to connect your destination. Click on destination, then click on add destination. These are the destinations. If you don't have it already, just add it. You can add multiple destinations, but you can only stream according to your plan. Like my plan, for instance, I can only stream to 3 destinations. Let me go back to home, then click on create live stream. Use the audio or pre-recorded video recording. You can record your screen too, like the way I'm recording my screen right now, and also on air webinar, but this is for business plans. This is what I want. Click on the arrow. Then now here you have access to the studio or pre-recorded video, but in this case I want to record live, not a pre-recorded video. I did that in my previous tutorial. So I'll click on this. Once I'm on the studio, I'll go to destination, which is Blogsdom. Then bam, I have everything going because I've set it up already. The title is how to go live on YouTube with StreamYard software. So this is my title. I'll scroll down, and the description, for the sake of time, I'm not gonna go into it too much, but I'll just copy and paste it here, then leave it on public. When I announce it, people will get to know. Then I'm gonna schedule, but you can unlist it private or public. I'll leave it to public. Then I'll schedule it because it's always good to schedule your future live videos. Click on schedule, and I'll scroll down. It's almost 3 o'clock right now. It's like an hour 55 minutes, which is 2 hours in advance notice, but I'm gonna get into that after. Let me just upload a thumbnail. I'll go here. I have something simple for the sake of this tutorial. I'll just download. I'm using Canva. I'll go back here. I'll just upload. Click upload. This is it. I'll click on it and open. You can just work around it. If you want to minimize it or whatever, you can rotate and all that, but I'll leave it the way it is and apply. So you need to scroll down again, because when you apply, it just brings the page up. It has given me almost 2 hours in advance to go live. It's good to schedule your video like a day or 2 in advance. I'll say tomorrow, let's say 6 p.m. Then I'll create. Click on enter studio. No mic, no cam. Click allow, then allow. It has picked my laptop camera because I'm using my phone to record. My mic is good, it's working, and I can mute it if I want. I can stop camera, but I'll go here, settings, then go to camera and go to audio. Let's check. Like my Yeti microphone is working, and speaker is the Yeti by default. Echo cancellation, this should be on. If you don't, it's gonna pick background noises. If you click reduce mic background noise, it's gonna change the sound. I don't want that. Guest, so you can click here, and this is for the guest action. If you want to invite a guest, click on it. Play sound when guests come. It's up to you. You can choose that or not. I'll take this off because I'll send the guest the link. That should do. Everything is set up. I'll close it, and the display name will be Blogsdom. That's my brand name. Then I'll enter studio. All right, so easy customization. Let me close this thing. The first thing you need to do once you enter the studio is to allow yourself to show. Now I'm showing. All right, now the reason why it has picked the laptop camera is because I'm recording with my phone camera. In your case, it wouldn't be a tutorial. You have your mic, which we did already, like the mic stuff. If you want to mute it, I want to mute it. If you want to stop anything, and you have your settings, one more time, I'll close it. You can do this down here or before. Now if you want to invite, you click on it. Then I'm gonna copy this. This will be for the guest. If I want to invite my guest, I'll just click copy, then I'll send this to my guest. Because the guests need the StreamYard link to join. Let's say if you have a buddy, especially if you are doing like podcast. Before you go live, I don't want to go live right now because we are not ready. This is just the settings. Tomorrow at 6 p.m. then you come and click go live before that. Okay. So you have your comments. So you click show comment. Then comments will be showing. Then we have banner, show banner. Let's see. And you use banners to summarize your talking points and display calls to action. That one too is showing. I can create a banner. I'll say subscribe to the channel. Let's see if add. Close this, but you can add whatever you want. Let's go to brand. Actually, let me go back to banner, edit. Let's see, save. All right, so you can play with it and take this off and save. And let's go back to brand. Like you can type whatever you want. Use your banner to summarize your talking point and display call to action. Call to action is subscribe to the channel, but you can write whatever you want. Brand, I can change the color, but it has picked, and I like this is my brand color, so I'll leave it the way it is. But if not, you can change it if you want to go with this type of green or dark green or red. It's up to you. I'll leave this like this just for the heck of it. So you can change the design and go classic is good. This one too isn't bad. I'll leave it like that. It's just for tutorial. Show headlines. Let's see, headline option, your job title, social media handle, or anything else. You can type whatever you want to type. Let's say, let me use something quick. Affiliate marketer. I'm just doing something quick. Affiliate marketer. Let's scroll down. Logo, like it's gonna show when, let's say you're on the free version. If not, you can upload, but in my case this will not show upload. But I don't want to upload it right now, but I can upload and it's gonna show somewhere up there, or you can just, it's gonna give you the options to show wherever you want to show it. If you want 30 minutes countdown, you can show that. It's up to you. If you want to see the countdown will be showing, right? It gives you time to prepare, but I will just take it off. I don't want that. You just want to jump in and go straight to the point. If you want to add like video clips, you can add it. And what else? So you have all these things. You have background music. Let me see. It's gonna be playing, but anyhow, I don't want to. Or if you want lo-fi music, you can choose lo-fi music. Last but not least is your private chat. Next, we have to go to YouTube and make sure you are on content and click on live, and bam, it's showing here. And now you need to do what? Customize things, especially if you are monetized. It's not showing monetization. I'll click here, enter the title, your description, everything. Make sure you do that. The schedule time is here, and my thumbnail, I'll add it to this playlist, but I don't want to because this is just tutorial. Okay, and make sure it's not made for kids. It's up to you. If this video is for kids or your channel is about kids, that's up to you. But then you need to enter your tags. For instance, StreamYard, just like that. Just do your tagging thing. Then I'll go scroll down, and you can do whatever you have to do. And the next thing is monetization. Let's go. All right, click on it and turn it on. Done. And you just have to set it up. If your live section will be 8 minutes and above, it's always good to check this. Click here and add every 6 minutes. If not, throughout the section, you're not gonna get ad, but it's up to you. If you don't want ad, then you're not gonna click here. You just have to tick this one, okay? If you tick this one, you might get ad from the beginning. I'll just click here, but later on come back and add it when the stream is done for future viewings. It's gonna be, let's say you have 1 hour section for future viewing, you wanna earn revenue on it. Come back and just add mid-roll ads. But if you wanna add it now, that's up to you. But it's always good to leave it. If it's pre-recorded video, then I would say, but if it's real live streaming, just leave it like this. Click save, then everything will be saved. I'll go here and I'll go live, later date, and I'm using third-party app. You click go, upcoming, click on it, enable auto stop. When you click on it, enable. When you stop from StreamYard, it's gonna stop from here as well. Then we're gonna go back. Everything is intact. Okay, then we're gonna go to StreamYard. When you click go live, it starts from YouTube. When you click stop from here, after you're gonna have your stop. When you stop, it's gonna stop over there too on YouTube. I'm gonna go back, and now we have to copy the link and give it to and share it on our social media or to our viewers or followers. Click here and you click shareable, get shareable link. I'll show you quick. Let me drop it here. This is it. This is the shareable link, but eventually it's gonna look like this. I'll drop my link in the description box. You can check it out. You have 14 days to test it for free, and also you get credit if you use my link on any of the pro plans. Thanks and see you. Bye for now.